My background is mainly mechanical engineering, so I studied both my bachelor and master's in Naples, in Italy, where I'm from, and they were both about mechanical engineering. And then I also spent a year in Chemnitz, in Germany, where I did a 1-year Erasmus Plus program, which was also related to mechanical engineering. And now here I am doing manufacturing, so more specifically machining of nickel-based superalloys for aero engine applications. My PhD is in manufacturing technology at the UTC, and we work in collaboration with Rolls-Royce and SICO tools to understand what the implications of advanced cutting operations are on the metallurgical and microstructural integrity of nickel-based superalloys. When you're curious, you would like to develop different things, but also you need to stay focused on what your goals are. But that's also, I think, an opportunity to grow and develop skills. Well, I think we are a quite vibrant research group, full of energetic people, and there is never room for getting bored, honestly. Every day at the UTC is quite interesting. Free time? Never heard of that. No, I'm joking. I quite enjoy playing the bass guitar. I have one right there. That's the last thing I started doing in my free time. And I enjoy swimming. I used to play water polo in the team at Nottingham, and now I'm just enjoying some free lane swimming. I quite like it. And also I like going around and discovering some parts of Nottingham I didn't know before. I mean, I like tradition, but I don't mind trying new things. I haven't tried the Hawaiian pizza yet, but probably I'll do that in the future. I'm still thinking about it. No, I'm 100% espresso, and I like it without sugar. Don't Look Back in Anger is definitely my favorite one. Pizza, all the way.